Travis, what do you have? What's this? What is that? Is that bacon? Why are you crying? What, you want me to make that? You want me to make that? What is this? Let's show. Is this bacon? You want Mama to make it? You have to say please. I'll cook you bacon. I will. Would that make you happy? Travis, will you be happy?
Baby.
Are you getting angry again because I haven't made it yet? Travis, say, I'm angry. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I can't make the bacon if you run away with it. Can I have the bacon so I can cook it? Thank you. All right, go cook the bacon, okay? Can you say thank you? Bacon's on the tray and ready to get cooked. So I'm gonna have one happy kid in about 15 minutes.